Testing, and again testing. Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. In this video, I will be testing an expert advisor for MT4 platform. By the way, this is a free expert advisor and you will be able to download it for free. But first, stay here until the end of this video to see how this expert advisor works. I tested for 3 days on a small account because this EA is for a small account starting with $100. But without further ado, let's jump into this video to see what was happening. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, I'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. All right. All right, everyone. I hope you are all well today. Someone just recommended me this expert advisor for MT4 platform, which works on a small account starting with $100, and this one is called Tesshinso expert advisor. You might heard of it or not, but I tested this robot for you, and please stay here until the end of this video to see what's all about, and you decide if these robots deserve your attention or not. Anyway, you'll be able to download and I'll let you know how to do it by the end of this video to download for free this expert advisor. All right, so let's begin. First thing first, I must to say that I tested this robot on VPS, on free VPS from Amazon. But if you are serious about online trading, you if on a real account, you should be using a better VPS. And a better VPS that I recommend you is this one. Let me go ahead and I will show you. This is Forex Host. You'll find a link below this video in the description area for Forex Host VPS. This is a great VPS for using in online trading, forex trading. You can host MT4 platform, MT5 platform, IC Trader, and any kind of trading platform. Let's go back to our VPS on Amazon. So I tested this expert advisor here. I tested on these 8 currency pairs: Euro USD, US dollar, Swiss franc, GBP USD, US dollar, Japanese yen, US dollar, Swiss franc, US dollar, Canadian dollar, AUD USD, and Euro GBP. And first thing first, when I got this expert advisor, what I did, I go here to test, but later I will show you 2 days real testing. Yes, in a real testing environment, let it to run 24/7. All right, so to see the exact results. And here on strategy tester, let me show you a little bit. Is, as you can see here, expert advisor Tesshinso Euro USD, and use date here. Let me put it here from 1907. And let me try it a little bit to put it until today here to see what is happening. Then if you don't know how to, if you are a newbie and you don't know how to upload this expert advisor to your MT4 platform, I will show you a little bit. You go here to files, then go to open data folders, and first you need to copy the expert advisor. You'll see that the expert advisor, it will be something like this: Tesshinso EA. You'll find the expert here. Just copy the expert advisor. This is the AX4 file. Copy it. You will have also the preset file. These are the presets for a minimum $100 account settings. But just copy the expert AX4 file and go to your MT4 platform MQL4, and then go to experts and just paste that here. As you can see, I already have it here, Tesshinso. And the next thing you will be doing, you will upload the presets that, but I will show you a little bit later. For the moment, I will go here in the testing page to expert properties, go to inputs and load. I will load here the preset file. Preset, go here and upload it. Okay, and now I have the 100 minimum $100 settings here on this robot, and all we need to do right now is to click here, let me make it a little bit bigger, visual mode, and click here on start. We are on 1 minute time frame. Remember, you should this robot is working on 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame, but 1 minute time frame proved to be the best time frame. You will see until the end, and click on start here. And this what means a free VPS. As you can see, it's blocking sometimes, it's working hard, but if you'll have a paid VPS, a good VPS, it will never happen such a thing. This is happening because there are a lot of data there, because I wanted to test it from 1970. Alright guys, so I switched back to my desktop because I couldn't use that Amazon VPS to show you how to backtest this expert advisor. Let me go ahead and I'll show you from the beginning how to upload it to your MT4 platform. Go ahead, go here, go to experts, then copy this expert AX4 file. All right, then go to your MT4 platform, file, open data folder, MQL4, then experts, and then paste that expert advisor here. Cool, then go ahead, go here, refresh, and you should see it. Yes, you should see it here. Then let's drag and drop it here. Let's put this on 1 minute. I will drag and drop it to this Euro USD. We have it here, and now let's go ahead and let's test this one on Euro USD and also US dollar Swiss franc. I said US dollar Swiss franc. Let's put it on 1 minute also. Yeah, so let's go here, and then I will show you a little bit later. I will show the results for after 3 days of testing this expert advisor on MT4 platform, a $200 new account from IC Markets with a raw spread account 1 to 500 with leverage 1 to 500 and 1 minute time frame, as I said. So go here, go to expert advisors, and go to strategy tester. We have this one. Let's go here. Let's choose Euro USD. All right, let's make this a little bit Euro USD. So we will should be using here from, let's put it from January the 1st to today, until today. Visual mode, 1 minute time frame, expert properties. We will go here to initial deposit. Let's put it $200 here, 200, and let's put here inputs. Let's load our template with settings for a minimum $100. Tesshinso MQL4. Let's go to presets here and let's load this one. Okay, now we have the settings, and let's go ahead and let's start here let's start the backtest of the robot. Let's make it a little bit faster. We don't want to wait too much. All right, and let's see the report right now. Let's see the graph. As you can see, the graph, it is we have 22.46%, and let's see the results. Let's see the results right now. And as you can see, we started from $200, and these are all the trades placed, and now we reached $324. Yes, only on Euro USD. This is a good. Let's have a look at the graph. Let's see here the report. Initial deposit $200. So total net profit we have 124.41. Profit factor 692. We have here absolute drawdown 1.37. Short position 32. Long position 24. Profit trades 31. Loss trades 1. only one losing trades, so 0.18, and we have consecutive wins 31. Right, so let's go and let's check out also US dollar Swiss franc now. Let's see US dollar Swiss franc. Here we go. Let's start the same, and that's it. Let's go here to results. Good. Let's see the results here on US dollar Swiss franc, and as you can see we have more trades here. So 208 started from 200. This is the graph here. We have the report, total profit 862. Anyway, so from this back testing here on MT4 platform, the results are great, as you can see. Yes. All right, so let's go now and let's have a look on what was happening with this expert advisor on 3 days testing it. But first thing first, if you the best way to test an expert advisor on any strategy, my advice to you is to use Trader Edge. This is the best app that you can use. You can test a strategy, an indicator, an expert advisor. As you can see here, I'm inside my backtester, and here you can upload your strategy. You can set here the initial, the add profit, loss, and you will see, you will have here the strategy library, the PNL calculator, position calculator, indicator, strats, and so on. And this is a tool that I recommend you to test any strategy. All right, so let's go back to our MT4 platform, and I will show you now the results. And on an account of $200, look here what was happening. This is what was remaining, 0.64 after. No one will ever know. Get me out of here. 3 days using this expert advisor. As you can see, let me put here the mouse. This is the expert ID. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The same expert advisor, as you can see here. Yes, these are all trades placed by this Tesshinso expert advisor. So as you can see, in 3 days, this expert advisor ruined my $200 account. This is a demo account, so there is no problem, but just be careful when you are using these expert advisors. This is my advice for you. So if you want to test it yourself, I'll put the link below this video in the description area for you to test this expert advisor, and I wish you good luck. All right, guys, so that was the video for today for Tesshinso expert advisors. If you have question, put a question below this video in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye. Give me a like if you like the video. Bye.